Dear esteemed doctors and dietitians, please take a few minutes to watch this important video aimed at improving the lives of those who have lost hopes due to end-stage diseases. The video also presents effective solutions and a defined treatment protocols for managing end-stage diseases, which may not be available in Ayurveda. I am Dr. S.M. Raju, a former IAS officer who has dedicated years to exploring innovative dietary approaches to enhance medical care, particularly in managing end-stage diseases. Today, I am honored to share insights from my research and dietary protocols that have shown promise in treating conditions such as chronic liver cirrhosis, pancreatitis, uncontrolled diabetes with diabetic neuropathy, diabetic nephropathy, cancer, the two blood cancer, etc. and more. As you know that necessity is the mother of invention. My journey in this field began with personal and family health challenges. I struggled with rheumatoid arthritis in 1973. My father faced acute renal failure in 2008 and my son battled blood cancer in 2010. That is acute myeloid leukemia. Through these experiences, I developed and applied specific dietary protocols that successfully healed my loved ones and myself. Encouraged by these outcomes, I began refining these protocols over the past 35 years, focusing on managing complex and chronic conditions like liver cirrhosis, chronic kidney diseases, hemorrhoids, diabetes with neuropathy and retinopathy, varicose vein, prostate issues, and recurrent kidney stones, cancer, etc. Principles of healing. The foundation of these protocols lies in nourishing undernourished cells through a prebiotic approach, which promotes organ rejuvenation and overall healing. Many patients suffer from a lack of awareness regarding these dietary options, and as medical professionals, you have the opportunity to offer transformative solution to those facing advanced health challenges. Inspired by both Charaka, the father of Ayurveda, and Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, who both emphasized the medicinal power of food, I have crafted a series of dietary protocols that align with these ancient principles. And also I have taken the principles of Ellen McKenova, is a 1903 Nobel laureate in probiotic approach, and also I have taken Dr. Johanna Budwig theory, this essential fatty acids, particularly lignans, omega-3, omega-6 fatty acids from flax diet. My work is deeply rooted in Vedic literature and focuses on supporting the healing of dysfunctional organ through integrated nutritional interventions. Real world application and recognition, which was happened in 2014-15. I had the privilege of treating Shripad Naik sir, Honorable Union Minister Giriraj Singh sir, and several former Chief Justices and Honorable Judges of the High Court for various health issues. It was during this time that the Honorable former Union Minister for Ayush encouraged me to bring these research based on products to the broader society. This led to the support of the Government of India and the Government of Karnataka, which provided soft loans through IFCI and KSFC respectively. In 2016, my research products were officially launched by the Honorable former Union Minister for Ayush, Shripad Yesso Naik, with the Honorable Union Minister Giriraj Singh Ji as the chief guest at the Constitutional Club in New Delhi. The event was attended by individuals who had benefited from my formulations, including an honorable judge, film celebrities, and esteemed professor from various medical colleges to whom I have treated. This project was made possible through the backing of both the Government of India and the Government of Karnataka. Particularly, I am thankful to Honorable Union Ministers Even Honorable Union Minister Giriraj Singh Sir expressed in the dais of the launching pad, stating that all the testimonies are here. I am first time seeing such testimonies who are actually launching the product. I invite you to review and consider these dietary protocols as potential tools for managing severe health conditions. These approaches offer viable alternative to costly interventions such as the liver transplants and dialysis. By integrating these dietary strategies into your practices, you can provide your patients with options that may significantly improve their quality of life and offer hope where conventional treatments may fall short. Particularly, I would like to tell you, in pancreatitis, there is no solution yet invented, wherein in my inventions, the person who is suffering in pancreatitis for the last 15 years also can see the results in 3 days to 7 days by just getting out from the stomach ache, and headache as well as good appetite will come within no time. To explore these protocols, products further and engage in continuing medical education, please follow the link provided. After reviewing the materials, I encourage you to register, and our office will reach out through Dr. Rahul Nair to assist with any questions and to facilitate further discussions. Thank you for your commitment to improving patients' care. Together, we can explore innovative approaches that bring hope and healing to those dealing with chronic and advanced health conditions. Thank you very much.